Hey everybody, it's Caitlin here with a quick sing-along and play-along with a nice Christmas song. A Christmas song I'm not sick of yet. And this is Blue Christmas. Some of our students are working on this for their big final performance in a couple weeks. And so I said I would make a quick little play-along and sing-along. And I've got the two kitties here. Kitty, are you gonna sing? Are you gonna sing the song? Okay, not a YouTube star yet. And we're going to use strumming pattern 4. Down, down, up, down, down. You want to sing? I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations are red on a green Christmas tree. Won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue, 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 blue Christmas. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue, blue, blue Christmas. And at the end, you got to do the cadence, the C, G7, C. Right, Kitty? That's the perfect cadence. And then when you're playing the chord progression, the C, G7, C in the middle, you're just in your mind singing the first two lines of the song. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Hope that makes sense, and I hope it's helpful. Play along, and I'm so looking forward to everybody's performances in next month. Okay, peace and love.